Today I will discussing about the nitrobenzene derivative, the drug which is comes under the nitrobenzene derivative, the chloramphenicol, which is important for as a purpose of the antibacterial activity as well as the as a purpose of the examination, the synthesis and the structure activity relationship. Chloramphenicol also important, though normally the initially the chloramphenicol it is obtained from the Streptomyces venezuela, and this is the organism microorganism from where the naturally obtained the chloramphenicol in the 1942. Further, it is the commercially available as a synthetic methodology cases. So chloramphenicol mechanism action, it is the like other mechanism like other the antibiotic as a, and we discussed in the previous classes that are the erythromycin as well as the tetracycline and the macrolide antibiotics. It is the interfere with the 50S ribosome. As you say that in the term of the translation process or peptide bond formation process, the protein synthesized by the addition of the amino acyl tRNA into the acceptor site of the 50S ribosome, so that chain elongation process has been occurs, and the nascent chain is the first when the amino acyl tRNA is the attached at the acceptor site. So this nascent chain is the transferred to the that position, so that by the peptide bond formation chain is the elongated, and next step this elongated peptide bond is the revert back to the this elongated peptide bond, which is the revert back to the P site, and where the translocation is the occurs. So erythromycin is the blocked the process which is the just before the translocation process, and where the new erythromycin is the attached, and there is the here is the present A3 A2 A1. So A4 it is the new erythromycin, new amino acid which is attached, and that is the nascent chain, and nascent chain is the transfer to that, so that peptide bond is the formed, and this process is the interfere with the chloramphenicol, so that chain elongation can't be possible, and further translocation also not possible, and new synthesis, new peptide bond formation or chain elongation is the interfere. So these are the normally produce the bacteriostatic effect. Bacteriostatic action produced by the chloramphenicol. Look at the structure of the chloramphenicol. It is a contain a para-nitro derivative. This para-nitrobenzene. This moiety is the essential for their antibacterial activity, and when the replacement of the NOT by the other group reduces the activity, and in the case of the NOT group is the present at the either ortho or meta position of that in respect to the side chain, it is the also decreases the activity. And when phenyl group is the replaced with the alicyclic group, also decreases the antibacterial activity. So overall this and para-nitro group is the essential for their activity. And let's see that is the attached with the side chain, and of that the acetamide side chain, which is the dichloride. So dichloride acetamide side chain is also essential for their activity, and in these cases the chloro or halo substituted is the about their potency. It is the associated of their potency. I mean changes of the halogen chlorine group with other haloderivative. The potency is the affected. So this is the associated with the potency, but the activity is the same. They are the produce same broad spectrum antibiotic. Means they are the active against gram positive, gram negative both bacteria. So it is the affected only the potency of the chloramphenicol. And 1,3-propan diol at the 1 and 3 position, the diol derivative is the responsible for or their activity. Specifically this hydroxy. This hydroxy is the responsible for their antibacterial activity, and replacement of the alcohol group by the alcohol group is the primary alcohol is the promoted to the secondary or tertiary alcohol. It is the also decreases the activity. So as I say, so this nitrobenzene is the para-nitrobenzene is the essential for activity, and the one alcohol group is the essential from the activity, and this is the this NH2CH acetamide group is the responsible for the potency of the molecule. So this you draw the structure vertically. So vertically draw করলে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ যে nitrobenzene the different only there the orientation and that position. Here is the acetamide and the hydroxy group is the present in the different position with the opposite direction, and here it is the present and in the same direction. So this is this opposite direction. It is the known as the trio form of the chloramphenicol, and trio form is the active form, and this is the known as the erythroform, and this is the inactive form to produce the antibacterial activity. So because this is the showing the stereoisomerism, it's having the 2 chiral center, 1 and 2 chiral center. So 4 isomer is the possible, trio plus, trio minus, erythro plus, erythro minus. So among that trio form is the active form of that, and trio forms more specifically the active form, it is the D trio. D trio form is the specifically active of that. L trio or erythro-DL, these are the non-active form. This is the inactive form of the chloramphenicol. So this is the about their chemistry of that. Now going to synthesis part of the chloramphenicol. It is the synthesized from the 4-nitroacetophenone. So chloramphenicol, it is the synthesis from the 4-nitroacetophenone. which is the subjected for the bromination, and bromine it is the at that position and possible bromine derivative of the 4-nitroacetophenone. The bromine derivative is the further treated with the hexamine, and to amination for the amination of the occurs, and hexamine, that is the CH2 6N, and this hexamine in the presence of the HCl, hydrochloric acid. First that the amination is the occur, and further the salt, chloride salt has been produced. CH2NH2. So at that position, amination is the occurs when the treated with bromo derivative of treated with hexamine in the presence of the HCl. So there is the salt formation is the occurs of that. That is the alpha amino para nitro acetophenone hydrochloride. So at the alpha, that is the alpha amino, and these are the para nitro acetophenone HCl or hydrochloride, and this is the further acetylation in the presence of the acetic anhydride. In the presence of the acetic anhydride to form the acetamido derivative. Here is the produce the acetamido derivative, and CH2 NH. This amine group is the acetylated, and it is the produced NaCO-CH3. NaCO-CH3. So this is the further react with the HCHO aldehyde in the presence of the sodium carbonate, and there is the rearrangement is the occurs, and it is the produces in the presence of the sodium carbonate, rearrangement is the occurs, and this acetamido ring is the form an alpha position. There is the CH, and this is the alpha position. NaCO-CH3 is the form, and here is the CH2OH. So this NaCO-CH3, this is the form at the alpha position of the benzophenone, para-nitrobenzophenone moiety. Okay, so further it is the treated with the reduction, and reduction occurs a specific reagent aluminium isopropoxide AlOCH3/2. So aluminium isopropoxide, this is known as the NPV reaction. And that case is the specific C double bond O group is the reduced to the CH-OH group. Remaining of the same, and this is the form DL isomer. and which is the further treated with the HCl to remove that moiety, NH to remove that moiety. So in the presence of the HCl, it is the hydrolyzed to remove that moiety, and it is the produced at NH2, and that when it is the treated with HCl, and this is the part produced the NH2. So amine derivative is the occurs, and further when it is the resoluted with the DCSA. This is the known as the camphor disulfonic acid. Camphor disulfonic acid is the first. This is the resolution is the occurs, means the separation of the D and L isomer is the program. It is the separated enantiomer, and D form of the chloramphenicol occur with the hydroxyl derivative, and so that further which is further treated with dichloromethyl acetate to form the dichloro derivative of the acetophenone. So NOT, and this is the first, that is the CH OH, and this is the D isomer, and second this is the NH CO CH2Cl CaCl2 dichloroacetamido, and this is the CH2OH. So this is the structure of the chloramphenicol, which is a D or trio form. So this is the active, because erythroform is the inactive, produce the biological effect. The nomenclature of that is the 1,2. So 2,2-dichloro, and in the case of the that is the beta, in the case of the that is the contain beta hydroxy, alpha beta hydroxy para nitrophenyl, beta hydroxy para nitrophenyl, hydroxymethyl acetamide, that is the acetamide. So the group is the NaCO, acetamide group is the main parent nucleus. On that they are substituted with the beta hydroxy substituted, as well as the here also alpha dot hydroxy substituted. So beta hydroxy para nitro, and here is the alpha dot hydroxy, and further that is the phenyl, and this is the acetamide. So this is the about the nitrobenzene derivative chloramphenicol, and another one is the clindamycin. Clindamycin having the similar mechanism action of that erythromycin. It is the act to the 50S ribosomal subunit, and it is the inhibit the translocation. It is the inhibit the translocation, clindamycin, of the peptide chain, and so that it is the produce their activity by bacteriostatic effect. This is the application is the limited because it is restricted due to the producing pseudomembranous colitis. It is the produce a pseudomembrane on the colon, and for that it is the produce some symptoms like fever, diarrhea, or abdominal cramps, and that's why this due to this side effect the clindamycin or lincosamide antibiotics, because this is the comes under lincosamide antibiotics. These are having the limited use. These are your treatment of the upper and lower respiratory and the various skin diseases used. So thank you all of you, and completed the antibiotic portion of the nitrobenzene derivative and the clindamycin. Among that, the chloramphenicol is the most important for your examination.